In this valley of life's tiresome road, we all have burdens to bear. Many who struggle with some heavy load, how glad they'll be just to hear Jesus will make it easy. Jesus will make all things right. Come down to Him, all your burdens to bring. Jesus will make it right. When all the fountains have proven dry, the soul turns lonely and sore.